What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be covering basically versioning on Amazon S3. I'm going to show you two ways to enable versioning. One being the CLI, the second way being the AWS console. So let's jump right in. So basically, I'm here on the Amazon documentation site, and it just gives you a brief definition of what versioning does for you. Basically, it allows you to have multiple versions of the same file or same file name in your S3 bucket, and each when versioning is enabled, each one of those files will have a unique identifier. So you can obviously go here to Amazon's site to read more on the documentation, but just wanted to show you where that was at. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my AWS account. So you'll come here. You can see I have several buckets in here. I'll just pick a bucket. So this 2022 AWS tutorials. And then to check to see if versioning is enabled, from here I would go down to properties and then bucket versioning. So in order to enable this from the console, I would just come here to edit, and then you can see it defaults to suspend. I would just click enabled. And basically this is telling me that I have a lifecycle rule already. I may need to make changes to that lifecycle rule. Otherwise, I want to save my changes. So just hit save changes there. And that basically turns on the version for you. So that's one way to do it from the console. The second way that I'm going to demonstrate is from the CLI. So if we go back out to buckets, I'm going to do my drone backup bucket, and then properties. Alright, so cool. Let's go here. I'm going to switch over to terminal, and I showed you the wrong bucket. Hold on. So we're going to go to the 2022 Pro Movie Backup bucket. I'm sorry. So go to Properties. You can see that it's currently versioning is disabled. So I'm going to enable it from the command line. So if I go to Terminal, basically run my AWS command. So AWS S3 put bucket versioning, and then my bucket name, which is this guy, 2022 Pro Movie Backup, and then I want to set that status to be enabled. So I'm going to run that command. Okay, that command is now completed. Now if I switch back over to my console and do a refresh, you'll see that that bucket is now has versioning turned on. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, quick video, basically two ways on how to enable versioning on S3. So one way is via the AWS console, and the second way that I've showed in this video is through the CLI. A third way to do it would be via the SDK, but I don't have any code pulled up right now to perform that. But just to kind of show you, there's a couple different ways to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.